up cheering.
Those are the guys that were following me. Oh, yeah!
At least the brakes work good on this.
Kill him. We need to get some fucking water.
There's no water out here at the ATV park?
No. We need like clean water.
Hey, you should go to the pond. The actual big pond.
I think they can get down there.
I'll get out and fill up the water thing, because doesn't it squirt out water still?
There's some clean water. You don't want to run good. Hey.
What? It died?
No, it's running.
Is that what's the gas all the way down? No fucking way.
Oh, she's running prime.
You fucking retard are trying to blow that bitch up.
Oh, it's killed. It's killed. Oh,
we got the power back. Oh, snap. See, all we needed was a little bit of cleaning. Oh, shit. There they are. That kid took him out. That's good.
It's running better than it ever has. It's in the water now.
It's because we took out the air filter. Hey, did you close it back up? Close the airbox up?
No.
You fucking go. Oh, snap.
I think I'm gonna get stuck or something.
Hey, don't fucking break it out here. Oh, snap. We're gonna break a strut or something.
Dude, fucking no power steering. This shit sucks.
Hey, it does seem like it's running a lot better.
It is.
I don't know. We took out the fucking bumper or something that time. Holy fuck. This is where I fucked up my Jeep.
Hold the door.
Holy. Oh shit! God damn, the GoPro's not even on yet.
It's hot, man.
Damn, I bet they're surprised how well you keep it under control.
Where's Amber and I'm going?
She likes to follow her. Throw the fucking lights out! That was the light. Hey, did you take out the airbag fuses?
No, I did not.
These motherfuckers are gonna go off in our face. Damn, I didn't even think of that. Damn, is the light still hanging on?
The water's coming up into the wall.
Look at all these people walking. I'm sweating balls.
You look make that one or what?
Let's get. I'll check this bitch.
Look what?
Wow, but shit, we're fucking missing. We're missing fucking one of the lights.
No, we're good, Caleb. Okay, check the light then.
He's only missing one light and the bumper on the rear starting to come off.
Rolling on.
We're gonna tip over in one of these for sure.
I heard Freddie spell.
Pull the transmission out this.
Oh
shit! Damn. Hey, sir, you know where the big boy pits are? So move out the way, Willis. He's coming through. Oh, shit, these are a little steep. Holy, look at that pond right there.
This is the dirt bike. Fuck. Caleb, I was going through that for really, man.
For real?
It's so fucking hot in here.
Damn, we're gonna get stuck in this thing.
No.
Hey, luckily if we do get stuck, you know where Fords were found? Right out here on the road, bitch. So we just leave it and the insurance won't say anything. Whatever the water holds, you think we can make it through? Holy snap! Don't want to book it up just quite yet.
We're good. Ford. These ones last.
Got many Fords too. We just need to bust out one of these windows. It's really fucking hot.
It's fucking stinks in here too.
Oh yeah. This thing just rips right through it. No problem.
Get it faster so you can watch. We'll skim over it this time. We get a good run and start.
You had this out here more than once?
Yeah. Daily drive them.
My buddy has that same fucking rap tattoo in the same exact spot.
That's really.
Yeah, not even joking. Like 4 or 5 of my buddies have the
We
same.
can try this one first.
Are you guys riding dirt bikes out here?
Yeah.
Oh,
It just skips it. This is a Gambler 500 material.
Tranny's like slipping us up.
holy fuck, the tranny is like out.
Oh shit. Here we go.
Oh, shit.
Oh yeah, that is fucking sick, dude. That was a good one.
Damn.
Dude, it's fucking.
It's hot.
Does the AC not work?
I don't think.
Butterfly nose.
The heat or the AC, I think the
Is
fan.
the tire rubbing? Tire looks good.
Yeah, a little bit.
It's all good.
Going out shock. Or fucking mount.
It ain't really running through prime.
Yeah, that tire's probably gonna blow. It looks like you already got your spare.
Oh,
Dude, this thing ain't going nowhere.
is it going any faster?
No.
Oh shit. That ain't more fun than I did on my dirt bike all day. Hey,
Damn.
thanks, dude. That was
Yeah,
awesome.
yeah.
Is that his car?